What's going on, everybody back with another video. Hopefully the GoPro doesn't die. If so, I'm just going to try to move as fast as possible, but we got some really cool gear in. Now, if you remember, I was talking about this yesterday. I had to take this light off. As you can see, we have no light on the Harley. I had to take it off, and the reason why I had to do that is because I tried to get the sticker that was on here. It was a Burley brand sticker that had been on here for years. I couldn't get it off even with freaking nail polish remover. I couldn't get it off with anything. So I ended up having to grind it off with some high grit sandpaper, and obviously it's all scuffed up. So, you know, what are we gonna do with that? So I had to remove the light. I had to disconnect it from the main, there's like switches that connect on there, and it's underneath the blackout part that they use to help hide the wires. So I had to disconnect that. It was kind of a pain in the ass. I do have more zip ties to get that done, but we are going to, this is gonna stay the same, but we're going to paint, I don't know if I want to paint the trim. I think I'm gonna paint it anyway to have everything just blacked out, but we're gonna paint this, and we're going to repaint this, obviously, and it's going to be the same color as the air filter that I did. So nice gloss back, and when you're done, you put like a nice matte clear finish, and that is this right here, and it comes out looking absolutely fabulous. So one thing I will say is that Harley Davidson did a really good job on their actual halogen lights. I never once had to change the bulb whatsoever, and I've had the bike since 2012, so in different extreme conditions. So I'm gonna hold on to this in case I ever need it again, just in case. Obviously I should never need it, because if I get another light, I'll just get another light. But we are going to, and if this video ends up dying, I'll just reshoot with the Insta360 or my phone to show an update. But we got the new light in, and it looks gorgeous. I just want to make sure that it's going to connect, and there it is. It's going to connect just fine. So like I said, it's going to connect just fine, and look at it, look at it, look at it. I'm not gonna take it all the way off because my hands, I need some gloves on when I handle it, but because I don't want to get smudged up. But yeah, it looks beautiful. That's what we're gonna do. So to prep everything, I'm gonna go ahead and get everything ready. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do is get started. We're gonna get started, and we're gonna get started with some flat black. I'm sorry, it ain't flat black, gloss black. And just gonna be kind of light, but we're gonna get everything. But mainly we just wanna get it covered for the most part. We don't want no drips. No drips. Again, just want to go light. Just want to go light with it. Fly onto the paint. So what we're gonna do is just kind of get it out of the way and let it dry. All right, guys, so it was a little pain in the ass, I'm not gonna lie. One thing I don't like, I was not able to get the rim thing back on under these clips, but it doesn't really bother me much because it's stuck on there pretty well. So I would say that to get this completely over is a pain in the ass, and I can't really get it. So and you guys can kind of see how it looks. Turn the key. Yeah, that looks clean, man. It definitely looks clean. That looks clean as hell. And the high beams obviously work just as well. Super bright. I'd like to test these out tonight when it gets a little dark out and I need to get some food in me. But yeah, that's how it is. That's the finish that I did. We went ahead and blacked out the bezel. There is some little smudge marks because I didn't wait till it was completely dry, and that was my fault, but it looks way better than it did before. The little sticker blemishes that we had there, completely gone, completely smoothed out. And I think it just comes together really well now. It looks a lot better than the stock headlight, and can't beat $40, man. A $40 upgrade over the halogen. I don't know. To me, it's priceless. It's well worth it. So let me know what you guys think.